Good morning, everyone. How are you? My name is Karen Triana, and I belong to the B1 Intermediate program of the UNAT University in the city Zipaquirá. Welcome to one more edition of our show, I Tell You. This time, we are going to review the famous video explaining the pandemic to my past self. Our first video place use a in January 2020, where a woman reads a book quality while another, who seems to be herself but wearing a home outfit, appears to her out nowhere. The conversation begins with the surprise of the first woman, June, that we will call Julie 1, who asks the second woman, whom they will Julie 2, who she was. So Julie 2 replaced that she was herself for months in the future. Knowing this, Julie 1 asked Julie 2 if she was the tenth to tell her that was going to happen to with Julie 2. Says yet but that the call only tell her some basic information. Immediately, Julie 2 asks her which news she prefers first, the good news or the bad news. To which Julie answers a little confused, that they wanted the good news first. Julie 2 then tells her that time is going to be the best time for climate change and the planet. So Julie is happy because for the present of the Australian wildfires are happening. To which Julie 2 explained to the Tate this was not going to be the words of the 2020. Faced with Julie 2 respond and the mysterious attitude, Julie 2 asks that Julie 1 asks what the bad news was. So Julie 2 tells her that she better pull it all the investment and the suggests investment in Zoom. The conversation continues its course and the Julie 2 asks if she had hobbies. To which Julie 1 replies she did not. The Julie 2 tells her that the should get a dog, and they both agreed that they had always wanted one. However, Julie 2 remembered that they had some trips scheduled, she had some trips scheduled for the coming months. So Julie 2's lawyer and her tells that she was not going to have them. Julie 2, very confused, reminds that her that she had some buzzing stripe. But Julie 2 tells her that she was no longer the working. Suddenly, Julie 2 suggests taking vitamins and also tells Julie 2 that is it was going to be time to get its shape. Faced with the three recommendations, Julie asked her a little alarmed that was going to happen, and Julie too tells her that it would not be so bad for her since she was going to be able to spend a lot of time in home watching Netflix or the couch. In the end, Julie 2 reasures Julie 1 by telling her that she was going to be fine. So, Julie 1, a little confused, but relieved, replaced that it was gone. A conversation and many of you us wish we had. So far, we come this time. I hope you had fun. I hope you found fun with this story, and we will see you next time. Bye!